Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I have this new spinner for the lawnmower. The good vibrations, easy to ride, a tight turn steering knob. I'm sure you've seen them at stores if you have a ride-on mower. So I'm not gonna unbox it. I already unboxed it on the way from the store, but I'm gonna install it. We'll check it out. All right, I got to take this knob off. It constantly is coming apart. I just clamped it back down. It lasts for about 2 or 3 mows, and I got to clamp it down again, which is a pain in the butt. So I'm going to use this thing. Always see them at the big box store. So the clamp goes all the way around and has a plastic piece, looks like to go in here to help clamp it down, which should act a lot better than that, because if you can see the rubber that goes around the steering wheel, it'll come out eventually. So we got a screwdriver, get this thing off, get the new one on. There. I liked it because of the 8-ball, but I don't think I'm going to be able to use the 8-ball. That's okay. Comes with the knob, the tool to tighten it down, and instructions, and the plastic backing piece there. Like I said, it looks like that will go on the back, help keep it clamped down. And for people that have mentioned that I don't look at instructions, well, they're right. Anyway, I've already looked at it. Let's pop that off, unscrew it, and it comes right out. There. When it does that, I already pulled this out before. Take that out. Here's the nut, and as you can see, the metal straps around the nut. Put it around here, put it back on, and it looks like that's that. There we go. And the nut doesn't even drop out of there. That's good. Because I figure it goes in the bottom, because why bother going in through the top? Unless that's just for really small steering wheels. Let's see. Do I even have to use that? Don't even fit. Okay. Don't even use that. There we go. That on there. Gonna help keep the nut on. And a little blue Loctite. There we go. And these steering wheels have a line there. I would guess so you know where to put these things. Is it not going on? Maybe it's because, yep, it's not going on right now. Because I have to re-straighten it out. I see when I took that apart, kind of Made the nut all crooked in there. There we go. That feels like it. Yep. Now it's clamping down. There. That's on. There we go. Let's see. There we go. There. A lot easier to turn this thing. With the 8-ball one was easy too, but yeah, it kept on coming apart, coming loose. I'll give an update if it starts coming loose again. If it constantly comes loose, but that feels a lot more solid than the 8-ball. I kind of was looking for the other ones also that have the 3 bolts on the outside. But this will do. It'll definitely do. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.